Hello everyone, welcome to iLearn English Academy. In this episode, we are going to discuss about relative classes. This grammar topic is related to the 10th class students because this grammar topic is given in the first unit personality development. Before going to the topic, we should learn about class. What is class? A class may be a sentence or a part of a sentence. Example, I'll meet you tomorrow. It's a sentence. If you call me, it's a part of a sentence. Next, note. A class contains a subject and a verb. There is a difference between present class, my dear children. A class contains a verb and a subject. Remember this. Okay. Next, class is divided into two ways. One is subordinate class. The other one is main class. Subordinate class is a dependent class. Main class is an independent class. Independent means it doesn't depend. However, subordinate class depends on main class as it is incomplete sentence. Next, subordinate class divided into three types. They are noun class, adjective class. Adjective class is also called as relative class, and adverb class, adverb or adverbial class. Again, adjective class divided into two types. One is defining relative class, and the second one is non-defining relative class. So this topic is given in your textbook. What is relative class? A relative class gives extra information about or identifies a person, place, time, or thing. Actually, what is the work of relative class means? This is the work. It gives extra information or identify. In order to identify a person, place, or thing, we use a relative class. Next, how do we make relative classes? We make relative classes with relative pronouns. What are the relative pronouns? They are who, where, when, what, which, or that. These six are relative pronouns. Example I have mentioned. I know the boy who won the first prize. Here, who won the first prize is relative class. The phone which you gave is not working properly. Which you gave is relative class. And remember, my dear children, these are incomplete sentences. Hence, you have to identify this is subordinate class also. Okay. Next, relative class begins with relative pronouns. That is why here who, which have come at first. Next, what is defining relative class? A relative class which defines or identify the person, place, or thing by giving essential information is called defining relative class. This is the book that I gave you yesterday. This is the book I gave you yesterday. Here, if you take out relative class, you can't find which book it is. Okay. Hence, the extra information is required. It is mandatory. Okay. Next. Now, what is non-defining relative class? A relative class which gives extra information to the person, place, or thing is called non-defining relative class. Example, Sachin, who is called a cricket god, is my favorite cricketer. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair. Here, if you take out the extra information, it would be clear. Though you take out the extra information, it is clear. Sachin is my favorite cricketer. Is it understood or not understood? Yes, it is understood. Nick, who was bullied and who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair. If you take out that who was teased and bullied, Nick had an electric wheelchair. It is clear sentence. Okay. Who had electric wheelchair? Nick. We can remember. Who is my favorite cricketer? Sachin. Easily we can. So here, this extra information is not required. Okay. And note, non-defining relative class is preceded and followed by a comma or hyphen. Okay. As this extra information is not required, we kept in commas. Okay, so this is the one. My dear children, while you're in exam, you may be in tension, so that time you may forget everything. But in order to remember this one, very simple. What is defining, what is non-defining means? Non-defining means the relative class is kept in commas. Okay, and non-defining means no, it won't be preceded or it won't be followed any comma or hyphen. Remember this. Okay, in your textbook you are given about the defined relative class, non-defined relative class task. You have to do it yourself. That is I have not mentioned here. Okay children, so thank you, happy learning.